So I decided to buy a table, and the reason why is I'm doing a lot of video outside of the studio, and I always believe that I need to bring something with me if I need it. So my own cables, my own cords, my own cameras, my own everything, and that can include the table. And that's so I went and looked for a good foldable table that'll work perfect, that had good height to it, and is nice and sturdy. And I'm hoping I found one here with Trademark Innovations. So let's go ahead and unbox this. So basically, this is a foldable two-tiered table that will also have a carrying case to it. So it's easy to fold up, it's easy to unfold and set up, and then of course put in a carry case so I can take it out to the car and back super quick. So let's go ahead. This unboxed. There we go. And inside the box is, looks like another box. There we go. There it is right there. And a nice carrying case. You can get it with this carrying case, which is just a basic cloth carrying case, or you can get it with a fancier carrying case. I think that one zips up. I just decided to go with the basic carrying case. So there it is right there. We're gonna lift this out. Looks like it's in a whole bunch of bubble wrap. I'm gonna have some fun later on tonight. There we go. Let's see if there's anything else in here. Thought there was some fabric, maybe not. All right. So, okay, here's what we got in here. We got the main table, got the legs, we got a shelf, and we got the tablecloth. So this is the shelf right here. This is the cloth. This is the other end table. Table sets up pretty quick. Looks like we got a couple pieces of paper here. They'll fall down as we go. And sets up just like that. Look at that. It's exactly the height that I wanted. So I can stand like this. I could sit in a heightened chair or smaller, shorter chair. And pretty sturdy. I'll have the cart there. I'll definitely put that on later. First of all, I want to show you, this is basically a presswood type shelf there. Pretty sturdy. It's got a crossbar on it, so it can hold a few things if you decide to put cocktails on or video equipment or anything like that. Sets right there, slides right in, easy peasy. Now, the front here is just basically, it's like a piece of vinyl cloth here, and there's some Velcro straps on the side. So we Velcro. We'll bring it around, and we will Velcro on the other side. And I'm hoping that it will kind of fall together as I see. There we go. That looks pretty good. What do you think? Does that work? Okay, perfect. Not much to it. I mean, it was pretty straightforward. It's pretty simple. It's foldable. It's all aluminum. We got some presswood here. It looks like we have braces on the bottom. We do not have a brace on this top layer like we did on that shelf, which is interesting. All right, so as you can see, I have my rig up here. This is a simple video rig. Got a couple computers in here. I'll also have some other things on the table, including probably my laptop right there. In fact, let's go grab that. The laptop here and here, I have room on that bottom shelf so I can put all the other stuff. As you notice, the cords can wrap right through into this, underneath this cloth, so everything can go and look really nice. People won't be tripping on cords, and I'll be able to organize it very well. Everything's looking good here. It's evenly weighted out, so I don't have any problems with this. This looks great. This is exactly what I was needing for my video rig. So now it's time to tear it down. Just as easy, put it back together. So take the Velcro, watch the folds. There's one, there's two, and three. I'll go back in the case. Take the shelf off, just like that. There we go. And then finally, flip this table around. And they have their little latches there, so you just have to push up on it a little bit. Let's show you again, little latches right there. And then fold this table down. Pretty straightforward. Now, I guess there is a method to this madness. So these legs have to go down first, it looks like. And then these legs go down second. Put the cloth in. Put the shelf on. Grab the carry bag. All goes in. There we go. That took a total of 5 minutes to set up, 5 minutes to tear down. And then I can take this out with my gear and go from there. Here we go. Once again, like I said, this is the main fabric carrying case. We have a fancier carrying case. I decided not to get that. I think this will work just perfect. And it's great to store. I can use this for other things. Let's just put this to the side here. If I want to set up a bar, if I want to set up a table for cooking or anything like that. I like the height. Like I said, 40 inches high and a standard table, about a couple feet wide. And I think it was 18 inches deep. So that was pretty much it. Easy to tear down, easy to set up, and stores pretty nice too. So thanks a lot for watching. My name is Jeffrey Powers from Geekazine, Think Magazine, Putting the Geek, and you got me. You can follow me on all the socials. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you like these videos. And then we'll see you at the next one. Until then, you guys geek out and set up your tables.